It's Wednesday afternoon and time to turn our attention to legal matters. It's part of our commitment to putting Southeast Texas first. So let's ask the judge. Joined this afternoon by Judge Randy Shelton from the 279th District Court in Jefferson County. Judge, good to see you for a post-hurricane edition of Ask the Judge.
Yes, and we have special questions for that, don't we?
We do. These are legit questions from our 12 News viewers that have been coming in. So this first one is from a viewer who said, Tuesday after the storm, my neighbors hired some men to cut down a tree in their yard. The tree fell on my house and pulled my cable and light wires from my house. Now I'm in the dark again. They say, what do I do? Is the neighbor or their homeowner's insurance responsible? How do I get the insurance info if they're not being forthcoming?
Well, I hope you get a peaceful resolution to all this, but just in case, if he borrowed your lawnmower, I'd go get it because you may never see it again after this.
Oh, no.
First of all, report your claim to your insurance company, and I know that everyone is hesitant to do that because they're afraid that their premiums will go up, but your insurance agent will basically handle this claim and contact your neighbor and possibly the hired men. Now, assuming that the hired men were negligent, which it sounds like they were, the neighbor or his insurance company is responsible for your damages. The neighbor is generally responsible for any damage caused by anyone he hires. So, if assuming that your neighbor has insurance, then let your insurance contact and get in touch with his insurance company, and hopefully they'll work it out, and neither one of you have to, have a big exchange over that.
Okay. Good luck to them, right? This is always complicated
Yeah.
after a storm.
Yeah.
This next viewer says, I've got a roofer coming to fix some tree damage. Is there a general rule of thumb for how much I should pay for the work up front? They're asking for half, seems high. Anything I can do to provide more protection for me?
I think, and this is just from experience, not from any legal knowledge I have, but the half doesn't sounds kind of about the same thing that I've had to come up with for work done on my house and my roof. But first of all, do your research. Get references, check with the references, call the Better Business Bureau, and find out what kind of reputation that your contractor has. Another thing, get a contract, get everything in writing, exactly what's going to happen when and how much is it going to cost. You can also be sure that the contractor has insurance in case they cause damage to your property or in case someone gets hurt.
And are they required, I'm going to jump in, are they required to show you their insurance, or are we just supposed to take a verbal on this?
Well, if don't hire them if they say they have insurance, but they won't show it to you. I know that in the past I've gotten a letter from the insurance company saying that they have insured the contractor. And
Okay.
one more piece of information you might get: a lot of contractors will actually have a bond, and the bond is actually to guarantee that the work will be completed. So those are probably the safest things that you can do. But I would get call references, see how other people have, how well they've worked with everybody else, and also, again, try the Better Business Bureau.
I know we have a quick third question. Hopefully it's a quick answer. This person says,
will.
my underage son had court Friday, July 5th, but he was out of the country. He's not returning until next month. What should I do?
Well, if he has an attorney, call the attorney. If he doesn't, notify the court. If it's a criminal case and he's on bond, notify the bondsman. If it's a criminal case and he doesn't show up, the court could issue a bond for his arrest. I mean, underage, I'm really not sure what kind of court he would be in, but
Right.
in general, that's what you should do.
Okay. Judge, we're going to have to leave it there today. It's good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Thanks for sharing your insights and expertise with us. Folks, if you've got questions for the judge, go to 12newsnow.com/askthejudge, and there's a form to fill out right there.